Today the president of the team of the Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man is a series so cool because the Chainsaw Man is such an interesting story that I will see her again. And this is because it contains a good plot and good characters. Has her Denji over Makima Aki Hayakawa, Pochita, and Adema. Denji is so obedient that they follow and Makima's order. Being the main character of the story world. Makima is so controlled that everyone does what she wants. As long as they feeling fair to her. Makima is the leader of a demon hunting organization where the demons have such long skills. And in that organization are Denji, Power, and Aki Hayakawa. Aki Hayakawa has such powerful friends
that they can be calm only against others because his friends tend to make him a lot very heavy jokes. Power have a Kate so thin and beautiful. On the other hand, Pochita have such a little Chaisan in his head. This one is a demon good friend of the protagonist. The end. My name is Diego.
1. Tapia had hanged did not he. 2. Diego were not singing were he. 3. Jorge is studying is not he. 4. Gerson was from another school was not he. 5. Jorge we like it soccer was not he.
Number 6. Diego has crush has a he. Number 5. I'm very full with base to exam around I. Number 8. Yamir can work in programming, can he? Number 9. The good is the homework, the English didn't take. Number 10. Diego don't angry, don't lost, I eat to he.